Cough is a reflex action that clears the airway of irritants and mucus. It is a vital protective mechanism of the respiratory system. The cough reflex involves sensory nerves, the cough center, and motor pathways. Irritation of the respiratory tract triggers sensory nerve stimulation. Sensory nerves relay signals to the cough center in the brainstem. The cough center processes these signals and initiates a response. Motor pathways then activate respiratory muscles to produce a cough. The cough expels mucus, pathogens, and irritants from the airway. There are two main types of cough: productive and non-productive. Productive cough produces phlegm, while non-productive does not. Coughs can be acute or chronic, depending on duration. Common causes of cough include infections, smoking, and allergies. Coughing can be a symptom or a condition requiring treatment. Treatments may include medications, humidifiers, or lifestyle changes. Understanding cough mechanisms aids in effective management.